Kani kadiga Bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hadien pelat sobo Sngi bala Khyrdep u menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke Sangma ha ka arpulai ter ujumang arjar arpau u lalet ben ple pai ba biang ya ka Bethany Hospital ka badan hanong ba Shillong Hadien bala dep pen khot yakni hospital da ka jing ajing ben jaknat ka koi ka khya ka sarkar jela kat kumki kendon bala batha da ka National Center for Disease Control ka balong ka snat trekam ka bahap hapo ka jing pen jong ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare jong ka sarkar India. Ka sarkar jela kala phak Khang Khryep shipore ka Bethany Hospital tang Hadien ba unong pang coronavirus beningkong ka jela ulangan yakni ke jingpang hakini ke jinglet Ïuhkjat jong menteri rang ba hakini ka hospital da san ran lang ya u da ka kurem jong Dr. John L Sailo rentatiang bat kumjo ru ibahiyang sem u commissioner and secretary katnat ka koi ka khya sarkar jela u P Sampat Kumar u managing director jong ka Bethany Hospital u David Sailo ka Dr. Kim Sailo bat u menteri katnat ka koi ka khya u ba Alexander Elhek nakaliang menteri rang ba ulale buramru ahkamat kadur jong Dr. Sailo u balong nong seng jong ne ka Bethany Hospital Shillong bat Hadien kani lapun buat pat sa ka jing duai na ki bahiyang asam.
But I think the only reason I'm here is really to show my solidarity with all of you. And I have a very close connection, of course, with Bethany Hospital because both my daughters were born in Bethany Hospital. And so I have a very, I should say, personal connection. And obviously I've always been close to the family also. I would like to just say that it has been a very difficult time the past 2 months. And the government, of course, has been facing a lot of challenges, society is facing challenge. But I think I can't even start to think about how difficult it must have been for Mrs. Sailo and the entire family during those trying times. And really, when I got a call from David asking me to come here, so without any doubt, of course, I said that of course I will be. I just had to check my schedule. So I'm here today, as I said, to express my solidarity with you. Just now Mr. Sampat had mentioned about how things, what happened. And I think we should be very clear that this is something that can happen anywhere. And really it's not something that somebody chooses. What is important in situations like this is to really know how to respond. And I think that brings out the true character and the true values in everybody. And I think what I would like to say today is that the way Bethany, the entire team responded, cooperated at that time, went through all that pressure, sometimes not getting food. I know some people did not get food, the difficulty you had in getting places. It was a big challenge. So I think it would not have been possible if all of you who are in this room today had not responded in that cooperative and positive manner. So really I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. It's so easy to look from outside and say this and say that and complain and make out different points. But when you are in this situation, it's a completely different story. And so therefore, I appreciate that, and from the government side, I want to tell all of you that when this whole thing was happening, every moment was with Sangma and all the others, and we were just figuring out how things were, whether everything's okay or not. I don't even know whether we were able to resolve all the issues. And I know many of you suffered during that time. But I think it's ready to come in to tell you all of these things from my heart, that we know what you went through, and we can't say that we experienced it, but we came to know all the difficulties you faced. And I once again want to really thank you for all the support that you give.
Banui bagane ka Bethany Hospital galap libyang nagbanta ban ay jing sekri na tagi pai ba ibabon kamtam lele na tagi to ki nongpang ki bajusanya barabor ha Bethany bat kumjo bagi we di nongpang bat menta Bethany ha ga jing pet jonga sarkar galap biang bah ban pli bat ban peniat ya ganega hospital tigamtan gadu nuru ga jing thut na galiang jong ka sarkar ka ba ar bode ngawan hang ni ha ju gopor ni dap de jing susi ba I founder member jong kani hospital ni Dr. John Saido kumu perlok jonga perlok ke bala juet bon stem la juet tai kamlang la do no e gamen sim go dor jong we ni family jong ni yen but belong ru perlok tinga convey my condolences to all the bereaved family, and also I pray for his soul rest to eternal peace.